Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will review an important article from Healthline.com. We will do a deep dive into Wegovy for weight loss and weight management. To start, what exactly is Wegovy? Wegovy is an injectable prescription medication specifically approved for chronic weight management in adults struggling with obesity or being overweight. It belongs to a newer class of drugs called glucagon-like peptide-1 or GLP-1 receptor agonists. By mimicking natural appetite-regulating hormones in the body, Wegovy helps users feel satisfied with less food. So how does Wegovy lead to weight loss results? It comes in an easy-to-use, prefilled pen that patients inject under their skin once weekly. Wegovy helps users lose weight in two ways. First, by suppressing appetite and food cravings. And second, by reducing the amount of food a person wants to eat or can finish in one sitting. Now, onto Wegovy's proven effectiveness. In lengthy clinical trials prior to approval, Wegovy was incredibly effective for significant weight loss and weight maintenance over time. On average, participants using Wegovy while also implementing the diet and exercise guidance from their doctors lost an impressive 15% of their starting body weight over 68 weeks. However, Wegovy comes with some temporary gastrointestinal side effects. In studies, around 5% of clinical trial participants dropped out early due to side effects like nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. These effects normally improve over days and weeks as the body adjusts to Wegovy. So who can use Wegovy for weight loss? It's FDA approved for adults who meet the thresholds for having obesity. Specifically, it is approved for those with a BMI of 30 or higher, or people with a BMI over 27 with one weight-related issue like type 2 diabetes. However, keep in mind that while anyone meeting these broad BMI criteria can technically get prescribed Wegovy by their doctor, there are limitations. First, it cannot be combined with taking other weight loss medications or undergoing weight loss procedures like bariatric surgery. Second, there are specific health risks of using Wegovy for those with certain medical conditions. Risks of side effects like gallstones and pancreatitis are higher if you've had issues with those organs in the past. And Wegovy comes with an FDA-mandated box warning about possible thyroid cancer risk in humans based on concerning animal studies. Doctors typically recommend against using Wegovy if you have a personal or family history of certain thyroid cancers. Okay, so Wegovy can really work, but how much does it cost? Well, the reality is that Wegovy is expensive if paying full price. But with insurance coverage, most people in the US can access significant savings. With insurance, patients pay around $1,000 to $1,500 per month for their Wegovy prescription. Alright, getting close to the end here. Let's get into the specifics of how Wegovy creates appetite changes that spur weight loss over weeks and months of treatment. Essentially, Wegovy works similarly to natural fullness hormones called GLP-1 second. Our bodies release these after eating a meal, signaling to the brain that we're fueled up and can stop eating. What Wegovy does is replicate these appetite-satisfying and food-limiting hormone effects for a full week from a single dose. It sends constant signals to your brain, triggering quicker feelings of fullness and satisfaction from less calorie-dense food. Over time, your body recalibrates what appropriate portion sizes should be. Most people notice their interest and enjoyment drops off substantially for heavy carbs, sugars, fried foods, and fatty snacks. Alright, to wrap things up, what are the key takeaways of considering Wegovy for your weight management? While at nearly $1,300 a month, it is a serious investment into your health. But keep an open mind about trying manufacturer savings plans or investigating full insurance benefits. While the weight loss progress photos people share after starting Wegovy might tempt you to dive right in, manage expectations realistically about what is achievable long-term for your unique body and circumstances. Any patient wanting success once stopping Wegovy treatment needs to use the appetite regulation window to permanently improve lifestyle habits. It requires commitment to lasting changes rather than just passively taking medication. Hopefully, you now feel way more informed about aspects of the popular new weight loss medication Wegovy. If you'd like to read the original article, click on the link in the description.
What final thoughts, opinions, or advice do you have to share from your own weight loss journey? We'd love to hear from anyone who has experience using appetite-regulating prescription medications like Wegovy or other GLP-1 drugs. Plus, subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comments your perspective.